We're called Taqueria 27. My name's Todd Gardner. I'm the owner, proprietor, chef, dishwasher, you name it. We have a coffee shop next door that's adjacent to us. We use the digital dining program for the cashier side and for table service side. We like to call ourselves an upscale, air quote, Mexican rice and beans joint. We serve predominantly gourmet tacos in a sit-down atmosphere with servers, table service, which is a little different than your average Utah Mexican restaurant. Most of this is fast, casual, or counter service. We like to think of ourselves a little bit more upscale. Everything's house-made from scratch. We don't have a freezer, we don't have a microwave, and we try to be streamlined. That's why we chose digital dining. The iPad interface really worked with our concept. People like it, and that's what we do. We chose digital dining because I was looking at an iPad interfaced point-of-sale system. I've been in the restaurant business my whole life, and I've used Aloha, I've used Micros, and I just started, searching on the internet for iPad compatible point-of-sale systems. We were looking at POS Labu, we were looking at Revel, and what it came down to is opening a brand new restaurant and having to do everything. I couldn't fathom having to program all of the back of the house items, which is a huge burden to get everything right. And with digital dining, it was set up very user-friendly. It's point and click, it's touch and go. And as far as setup, initial setup, the guys did a great job. They helped us, they trained us. We call with questions. The customer service is great. And I didn't feel like we'd get that from the other companies. They're, one's in California, one's in Canada. I'm in Salt Lake City. I wanted to go with somebody local. I wanted to go with somebody who can answer my questions and who was there when I needed them. So favorite feature with this, there are a couple. First one is obviously portability. We have an iPad. If my staff gets bottlenecked, we can actually move the terminals to locations that make it easier for the staff to do their job. Second thing is ease of use. You log on, everything's right there, the table layout is right there, you touch the button, you're going where you want to go. Checkout's easy, being check ready is easy. Once everything's set up, which happened very seamlessly, everything's ready to go. You can have the buttons where you want them, you can have the names how you want them, you can have everything how you want it, and so it just makes it a no-brainer. Third thing is, the options, the frequent diner programs, the programs where you can input people's emails. You can recognize people, you can recognize people's likes. We actually have a regular, and I programmed buttons in the system specifically for him, so we didn't have to use any kind of modifiers. I thought that was kind of fun. So it's just the ease of use, it's the user friendliness, and it's the support that makes this such a great program.